we are going to show you how to fix the tilt angle displacement on the ENVO Flex Trike. For that you will need a bubble leveler, number 6 Allen key, number 15 and 19 wrench. Okay, so first of all you put the bubble leveler on the rear part of the tricycle. As you can see, there is a small distortion on the leveler. So what you will do now, you will get the number 15 wrench and make these two nuts loose. Okay, once these two nuts are loose, you will use number 19 wrench to make the axle nuts loose. Once all 4 nuts are loose which are holding rear carrier to the frame, we will come back to the bubble leveler and we will try to see this side. We'll try to bring the bubble to the center. So you could do some adjustments, like you try to push the tricycle and make the there. So now it's on the center. Then you tighten all 4 nuts and that's how you align the tricycle rear assembly.